Okay. So the French history teacher, Mr. Braun, asked him about the date when Germany defeated the French at Waterloo. Albert said he don't know. And then he's saying there is no logic or a point in learning the date. If anybody wants to learn the date, they should open the book and they would come to know about the date when German defeated the French at Waterloo. What is more important is that why one soldier is killing the other soldier. He wanted to learn about the fact. Mr. Braun gave him a punishment, but he knew that it is not going to do any good to Albert or to the school. He called Albert a disgrace for the school. And then he's saying to Albert, suggesting Albert that you better ask his father to take him out of the school. Albert wanted to go out of the school. He wanted to leave the school. He was desperate to leave the school. But he knew very well that his father would not allow him to leave the school till he complete his diploma. The hardest place for him was the school. He never liked to go to the school. He never liked the environment and the atmosphere in the school. Okay. Going back to his lodging. Lodging means you can say a guest house, the hotel where he was staying did not cheer him up. So he was coming back to his lodging where he was staying, but that was not making him happy. Generally, what happened? When the school gets over, the children are very happy to reach their home. But here, after the school had got over, he has to reach the place where he was staying, that is lodging, but he was not happy. Why? His father had so little money to spare that Albert had been found a room in one of the poorest quarter. Quarter means section of Munich. Munich is in Germany. So his father was not financially sound. So he was made to rent a house in the poorest section where the poor people live. That is, you can say another type of word you can use, the slum. So he was living in a slum due to the poor financial condition of his father. He did not mind the bad food. He was not worried about the bad food which he used to get in the lodging. And a lack of comfort. There was no comfort in the lodging where he was staying. Even the dirt and squalors. Squalors are what? They are petty criminals and beggars. Even the dirt means the whole area where he was living, it was surrounded or covered with dust, garbage. Is it clear? And squalors. Squalors are the petty criminals and the beggars. So the place where he was living, there the poor people are living. Is it clear? There the small criminals and beggars are living. The whole area is full of unhygienic. It's unhygienic. There are heaps of garbages lying there. But he hated the atmosphere of slum violence. Though he was ready to live surrounded by garbage, beggars, poor food, lack of comfort. He was adjusting. He was not having any kind of problem with these things. But what hated him was the slum violence, the violence which takes place in the slum. His landlady, the owner of the house where he was living, beat her children regularly. And every Saturday, her husband came drunk and beat her. From Monday till Friday, his landlady used to beat her children. And Saturday, when her husband used to come drunk, he used to beat her. So, the area where he was living, there was violence, screeching, shouting. People are fighting with each other. So, he doesn't like the atmosphere where he was living. But at least you have a room of your own. The which is more than I can say, said Yuri. Yuri is the friend of Albert. When he called round in the evening, one evening, Yuri had come to meet Albert, and Albert was complaining about the place where he was staying. Clear? He was complaining about his landlady also, that she was a very loud woman. Loud women are those women who shout, who abuses, who are very violent, They are called a loud woman. Clear? But Yuri is saying that at least you have got your own room where nobody could enter without your permission. Is it clear? And you can do anything in your room without being interrupted, without being interfered by others. But what Albert is saying to Yuri, at least you live among civilized human beings. But Albert is telling to Yuri that at least you are living with those people who are civilized. Civilized means who are literate, who are educated, even if they are all poor students, said Albert. Albert said that even Yuri, where you are living, they are the poor student, but still they are civilized. Still they are literate. They know what is right and wrong. They know how to behave. They are not all civilized, Yuri replied. Yuri is saying they are not civilized. Is it clear? Did you not hear that one of them was killed last week in a duel? Duel means fight. Did you not heard? Have you not heard a news that last week there was a fight and a boy was about to kill the another one? No, one of them was killed. Means in a fight, one of them was killed. Always in a university, you will find there are two groups where the students are fighting with each other, even on a small pretext. You must have seen in a cinema also, in movie also, that in a hostel there are always two groups. In college also there are two groups who are always involved in fighting. And what happened to the one who killed him? So Albert is asking to Yuri, what happened to that person who had killed the other person? Nothing, of course. He said nothing. He was not punished for killing the person. He is even proud of it. He is very proud of it that he had killed somebody. His only worry is that the authorities have told him not to fight any more duels. That boy who had killed the other boy, he was not feeling any kind of sorry that he had killed a person. Is it clear? He was not punished also for killing the person, and only he was sad, not sad for killing the person. He was sad because the authorities, the police had told him not to fight anymore in future. He was restricted to fight. That has made him sad. He was not sad that due to him a person life had been taken away, due to him a man had died. No, he was not sad for that. He was sad because the police authorities had stopped him from fighting any duel means fight in future. He is upset also about this because he hasn't a single scar. Scar means your mark on his face to wear for rest of his life as a badge of honor. Two things he was feeling very sad. One, the police had told him not to fight anymore. Second, while he was fighting with a man and while he had killed that man, he had not received any kind of injury on his face, which he could in future could have told the other about. If somebody would ask him why there is a cut on your forehead, why there is a scars on your face, then he could have tell in boast that he had killed a man. But nothing was there on his face. There were no scars. There was no mark on his face. So he was feeling very sad that he had missed that opportunity. If the scar would have been there, he would have felt honored. He would have felt honored. Is it ugly? Ah, exclaimed Albert. And these are the students. They are called themselves a student. Well, you will be a student one day, said Yuri. You will be a student one day means he's saying student means the people who are going in college, who are studying in college, they are called student. So Yuri is saying one day you will also be a student, means one day you will go to college. What Albert is saying, I doubt it. I doubt it means I'm not sure whether I will go to college or not, said Albert glumly. Glumly means sadly. I don't think I will ever pass the exam for the school diploma. He's saying, I don't think I will be able to pass my school exam. Because after passing his school exam, then only he will be going to college. Underline, he told his cousin Elsa the same next time she came to Munich. Normally, she lived in Berlin. Berlin is the capital of Germany, where her father had a business. Elsa, her father was having a business in Berlin. I am sure you could learn enough to pass the exam, Albert, if you tried, she said. One day she came, she met Albert, and Albert had put her the same problem in front of her, that he would not be able to pass his school exam. He will not be able to get his diploma. So Elsa is saying, you could learn enough, you learn that much, which will help you to pass the exam. And Albert, if you try, you will pass the exam. I know lots of boys, she's saying, who are much more stupid than you are. I know a boy, many boys I know, who are stupid than you, who are foolish than you, but who get through. Who get through means who have passed. They say you don't have to know anything. You don't have to understand what you are taught. Just be able to repeat it in the exam. So she says, there are many boys who might be very foolish than you, but still they have passed the exam. They say, simply learn it, clear, and give the exam, you will pass. There is no need to understand anything. There is no need to understand anything. That's the whole trouble, said Albert. Albert is saying, this is the only problem. I am no good at learning things by heart. I'm not good in learning the things. Means I cannot learn the things by heart. What his sister is saying. You don't need to be good at it. Anyone can learn like a parrot. If you teach parrot a word, every time the parrot will repeat that word. You don't try. Say, don't try to learn it. And yet I always see you with a book under your arm, added Elsa. What is the one you are reading? So Elsa is saying, right now you're saying you can't learn the things by heart. Clear? But every time I see you and meet you, you are having a book under your arm. So what you are reading? A book on geology. I'm reading a book on geology. Geology, which means under the earth. Is it clear? Geology, rocks and things. Do you learn that? As I think geology, geology means where you study about rocks and under the earth, everything. So do they teach in the school? No. We have hardly any science at school. No. In a school, we don't have any science class. Then why you are studying it? Because I like it. Isn't that a good enough reason? Is not the enough good reason that I like it, so I'm reading this book? As a side. You are right, of course, Albert, she said, but it won't help you with your diploma. Albert, you are right. You should read the things which likes you. But this is not going to help you to get pass in your school. It will not give you a passing certificate. Clear?